Hi, today we are building an agent that uses OpenRouter Free API. I am running Sim.AI Studio locally. I have a video showing how you can install locally Sim.AI Studio if you want to run it on your computer. Let's add an agent. I am going to show you a small trick. If you go to Model section in Agent block and type :free, you can see and scroll down for all the free models provided by OpenRouter. Here, you have all the models you can try in your workflow. We need to provide an API for this models. The nice thing about OpenRouter is that you have only an API for all of these models. Go to OpenRouter.ai, create an account, and go to Keys. Give it a name. For expiration, leave no expiration. Create. Copy this API key. Go back to Sim.AI and add the API key. And let's use this Trinity mini model. Let's add some instructions for agent. What's the capital of Romania? Run the workflow. And it's right. The capital of Romania is Bucharest. We also have some extra info. Let's use another model. I tried Amazon Nova 2 model, but for some reason it did not work. We still have plenty of models we can pick to test. Let's pick GPT-OSS20B. Let's add the API again. Run it. The capital of Romania is Bucharest. Correct. Let's test a Mistral model. And it's correct. If you want to know more about these free models or want to better see them, you can go to OpenRouter.ai to Models and in the search bar type :free. Let's pick this DeepSeek model. Here you can see some info. When it was created, what's the context window? How much for input-output, which is free? If you are not sure which model to choose, you can chat with them and test if it's proper for your project. Go to chat. Ask anything. Tell me a joke about AI. We have a result. You can add some more models to interact with if you want, and I think this is a better way of viewing them by logo. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.